everyone, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we will make a 4 kinds of compound butter, or also known as herb butter. For those who don't know me, my name is Kräuterbutter and I am Filipina based in Switzerland. Maybe some of you are asking what is compound butter or a herb butter. Herb butter is good for steak, fish, vegetable, pasta, or to put on the top of the bread. What kind of herbs you can use for herb butter? You can use parsley, thyme, or mint. If you are a vegetarian, you can use a margarine because margarine is made of vegetable oil. Can herb butter be frozen? Yes, you can put it in the freezer for 2 months, and you can also put it in the fridge, but it takes only for several days. What alternative you can use to make a herb butter or a compound butter? You can use a vegan margarine or a lactose-free butter. As you can see right beside me, I have different kinds of things to make a compound butter. First, I have here a piping bag and a star nozzle. Here I have a plastic film or resinite, ice form, cupcake baking form, but I will see if I can use it. And I have here a round plate and I wrap it around with the baking paper. The ingredients for our compound butter or a herb butter, I will put it in the description below. And first we will do a wild garlic butter. And I will use my wild garlic pesto. If you want to know how to make a wild garlic pesto, I will put the description below, or I'll put here on the top of the video. First, I will mix the butter with the hand mixer. And then I will put 2 tablespoons of the wild garlic pesto inside the butter. And I will mix it again slowly. You can put some salt or pepper if you feel like the taste is not enough for your taste. And now I will use this 2 like cupcake form to fill up the wild garlic butter. Fill up here in the cupcake form. So the wild garlic butter is done, then I will put it in the fridge. Second, we will do the curry butter. First, I will mix the butter. And then I will already put the curry powder and some salt. And mix it again. To fill up the curry butter, I will use this ice cubes form. Like this, so everything will fill up down. So it's already filled up. Then I will put this again in the fridge, or you can also put it in the freezer. And the third is a garlic butter. So this is also one of my favorite butter. This equipment what I have right now, this is a special for garlic. And if you don't have this at home, it's also okay. You can chop the garlic into a small pieces. Before we put the garlic, I will mix the butter first. And I will use the rubber spatula. So now I will put the garlic. Put some pepper and salt. And we can already mix it. And then I will just put the butter in the middle of the plastic film. This smells so good. I like garlic so much. This is really perfect for steak, for pasta, and for a garlic bread. So I will just do like this. So this is one of the alternative if you don't have a form at home. So you can use a plastic film or a resinite. So we do like this and just roll it. And then what I will do is to remove some air from both sides. And then I will just roll it like this. So, the last will be a Café de Paris butter. What's inside here is a garlic, salt, dry herbs. I am not actually sure if you can find this in international, but this one is really my favorite, the Café de Paris. Maybe you can find this only in Switzerland. I am not sure, or you can find in international groceries. But this herbs, I bought this only in a market, like a street market here in Switzerland. And when I taste these herbs, it's really so good. That's why I said this is really my favorite. Maybe you're asking why I am not using a fresh herbs, because I don't have it at home. And I have only a dried one like this Café de Paris, or I have a wild garlic at home. Maybe one day I will make a fresh herb butter, but right now I just want to show you how to make a fast herb butter at home, because summer is coming and most of you guys would love to grill. I want to show you how I make my herb butter. First, I will mix the butter. And then we can put the Café de Paris herbs inside. And maybe some salt, 2 drops of condiments. I will put a 1 teaspoon of lemon juice. And I will already mix it. So after mixing, I will put the butter inside here, the piping bag, and I have here the round plate. So So I will just put everything inside. I will put already this in the fridge. So let's wait for 1 hour so everything will be already hard and ready to serve. If you want me to make a fresh herb butter, please comment down below and I would love to do it. After waiting for an hour, our herb butter is already done and I will show you how it looks like. That's it for now. I hope you enjoyed watching. Comment down below if you have a suggestions, idea, comments, and questions. The recipe I will put in the description down below. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell button so you get a notification when I post a new video. Have a nice day and stay safe. Bye!